Fundamental concept of quantum computing. What if your computer could explore every possible answer at the same time? Welcome to the fundamental concept of quantum computing. Unlike classical bits, which are either 0 or 1, quantum bits, or qubits, can be both at once thanks to a phenomenon called superposition. A qubit is represented mathematically as ket p psi equals alpha ket 0 plus beta ket 1, where alpha square and beta square are probabilities that must add up to 1. This allows multiple possibilities to coexist in a single computation. Now imagine linking two qubits. When they become entangled, the state of one immediately influences the other, no matter how far apart they are. This opens the door to powerful new kinds of logic. Then comes interference. Quantum computers use it to cancel out wrong paths and reinforce correct ones. It's how quantum logic finds clarity in chaos. All of this happens using quantum gates, like the Hadamard or C0 gate, rotating, flipping, or entangling qubits inside circuits. These are the building blocks of every quantum algorithm. But when you measure a qubit, the magic collapses. It becomes either 0 or 1. That outcome is probabilistic, so quantum computers repeat and refine to get the right answer with high confidence. So, quantum computing isn't just faster, it's fundamentally different. It's about computing with the probabilities of nature itself.